Nawr te, y cyfnod dyn ni'n mynd i wneud I ddechrau bore yma ydy, dyn ni'n mynd gael bwrdd gwyn glân, ac nawr ten, be dyn ni'n mynd I wneud? These two whiteboards are in need of decoration. Gwyn, clear, dim byd yna. So let's decorate these whiteboards. Let's do a modern art, plaster these whiteboards with unrhyw eiriau Cymraeg. So dych chi'n eisiau sgriptio. Dim eisiau sgriptio. Beth bynnag. This is let him, whatever sy'n dod allan. Whatever comes out, comes out. Right, okay? Ar y bwrdd gwyn, unrhyw beth sy'n dod allan, any words which come out.
Defnyddio.
Defnyddio. And we can go off over them afterwards to say what they mean. For now, peidiwch y poeni what they mean. If something comes out and you don't know what they mean, doesn't matter, we'll go over them afterwards. Because words can pop out. You think, wonder what that means. Doesn't matter, as long as it can pop out. So let's just getting it out.
Defnyddio.
So yeah, defnyddio. Throw anything else.
Hawdd.
Hawdd. Right, okay, iawn.
Amolchi.
Amolchi. Hey, right, okay.
Cyfarwyddwr.
Cyfarwyddwr. Cyfarwyddwr. Iawn.
Oes gafin.
Cyfrifiadur.
Cyfrifiadur? Oh, right, well, okay.
Oh, he likes his...
Computer.
Yeah, right, iawn.
Diwedd Araf.
Diwedd Araf. Da iawn. Diwedd Araf o ddiwedd Araf.
Oh, diwedd Araf.
Yeah.
Cymoch.
Cimoch. Da iawn. O, ni'n licio... O.
Ie, diwedd Araf.
Paratoi. Paratoi.
Paratoi. Right, okay.
Cymoch. O, cranc.
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 Cawech.
Cawech.
Ysgafin.
Ysgafn, da iawn.
Ysgafin, like...
Peryglis.
Peryglis.
Loider.
Oh, yeah.
More like
So, Lleidr and more Lleidr.
Lleidr.
Clistiau.
Clistiau.
Go clistiau. Mimi.
I do what optician you go to, but...
Squid. Squid on your shirt. A squiddiau.
A sgwyddau. A sgwyddau.
Coesiau.
Coesau.
Coesau.
Croeso. Croeso.
Doniol. Doniol.
Doniol. Nawr ten, doniol.
Gora. Trai.
Trwyn.
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 Trwyn. Rhwng accent. Trwyn.
Yeah.
Chwerthin.
Chwerthin. I'll come back to doniol in a minute. Any words you don't know, we'll go with them in a minute. Right? Chwerthin. Ond. Ond.
Dim ond.
Yeah, shwmai but. Shwmai ond. Ah, right, okay. That'll be the word for the week. Shwmai ond. Oh, right, okay, yeah, okay.
Deall. Bonedigesau.
Oh, wow! Hey! Wow! Great! Hey! Hey!
Oh, the rugby's are coming back.
Da
Say it, Bonedigesau. And someone else have to...
Ladies and gentlemen, rather than Gymraeg, gentlemen and ladies. So you can say, there we are. By the end of the week, you give a speech. Bonedigion a Bonedigesau. And croeso I forest. Yeah. And the customs I am to public speaking. Right, okay. So you say Bonedigion. Bonedigion, that's gentlemen. A Bonedigesau. Bonedigesau.
We hear
Bonedigion. A Bonedigesau.
Sporting event before.
Yeah.
We hear that. I've heard that for 35 years.
Yeah, right. So now then, let's all do a sort of because in Cymraeg we would say gentlemen and ladies, but let's all say, okay, let's start off an event, you know, like a wedding, you know, like, you know, please be, ladies and gentlemen, please be upstanding for the bride and groom. Let's say Bonedigion a Bonedigesau, and all three. 1, 2, 3. Bonedigion a Bonedigesau. Da iawn.
Rwy'n croeso I Repitition.
Right, dal tipyn bach o wyn fan hyn.
Ffôn symudo.
Ffôn. O, symudol. Ffôn symudol.
Pysgodyn.
Pysgodyn.
Mochyn.
Mochyn.
Dirty mochyn in.
Tywyll.
Now, there are two words here which could be twyll, which is cheat, or tywyll,
Tywyll.
which is dark.
Da. Tywyll.
Tywyll would be dark, cheat.
Ceinog y dimau. Ceinog y dimau.
Ceiniog y dimau! Oh! Un arall.
Cawod. Rhyw?
Rhyw! No! You can't have that.
What does it mean?
Sex. What?
It doesn't.
What does it mean?
You just said sex. Lucy Owens just said sex. The face of women.
We never Cymru.
Yeah.
My mate did that to his mother-in-law, right? And he said to his mother-in-law, because he...
That was the way you looked at me when you said that.
Qubit and Huey is something...
Yeah, cardia. Right.
So he thought
Would
he
you
just
answer?
asked so he took the first half of the word and he said,
Oh,
Ti'n
Rhyw.
eisiau rhyw?
Do you want sex?
Yeah.
And that was on a cake.
Yeah. So, byddwch yn ofalus. So, byddwch yn ofalus with this word, because rhywbeth is something. Rhywle is somewhere.
You made your man's day,
Right, it's very early in the morning when you're... Rhywbeth, something, rhywle and so on. So, rhywfaint is some measure. But the word rhyw by itself, if you look in the dictionary, it's got two meanings. It means some, but it also means something else as well. Yeah. But actually, and Dewi Llewellyn Rodriguez, that's ew sound, is not the same as the ew sound.
Oh,
right? Ew and ew. Now, you don't have any problems with the ew and the ew, because you're South Wales. You have no problem with saying Dewi and byw, right? Ond, pan ydych chi'n cael lot o Saeson, a lot of English people learning Welsh, they don't have a problem with the ell and the ech. It's the ew and the ew they have a problem with. So they actually, and this happens a lot in North Wales, mix up between rhew and rhyw. Now, rhew is ice, and rhewi, and rhyw is the other thing.
Ie, wel, dwi'n siŵr bod Lucy ddim wedi cymysgu rhyw a rhew ers hynny. Iawn ta, felly, beth oedd nesa yn dy wers di?
Wel, nesa, oeddwn ni'n darllen tudalen 3 a 4, ac oedd y dysgwyr yn Ail-adrodd, Repitition.
Gallwch chi ymuno hefyd?
Right, so ni'n dechrau gyda na.
Na.
Yn naturiol,
Yn naturiol.
dwi eisiau defnyddio. So, on the previous page, we had dwi ddim eisiau defnyddio. I don't want to use some cheap or nasty actors, no. On au contraire, dwi eisiau defnyddio actorion gore Cymru.
Actorion gore Cymru.
A dyna pam dych chi yma.
Dyna pam dych chi yma.
So, yn Gymraeg, you won't say, well, that's why. Dyna pam. Dyna pam. Dyna pam. Dyna pam. So, dyna pam. So, dyna pam dych chi yma. Chi, so, chi is the plural you. Chi, pawb? Chi. Yw'r dethol rai.
Yw'r dethol rai.
So, select few. Dethol rai. Sydd wedi eich gwahodd.
Sydd wedi eich gwahodd.
So, the wedi tells you it's in the past. So, your invitation came previously. Sydd wedi eich gwahodd I actio.
I actio.
Yn Anutriaethau Fflach Eirias. Croeso mawr I chi.
Croeso mawr I chi.
Felly, I Westy Forest.
I Westy Forest.
Un o westau mwyaf moethus.
Un o westau mwyaf moethus.
Say mwyaf moethus.
Mwyaf moethus.
So it's nose job.
Mwyaf moethus.
Want a nose job? Say the sentence. Mwyaf moethus.
Mwyaf moethus.
Ein gwlad. Yeah, mwyaf moethus. But nid dwi'n gofyn bywyd moethus. Cael y byd a'i berlau man. Da iawn. Good. Okay. Ein gwlad. Byddwn ni'n aros yma.
Byddwn ni'n aros yma.
Tra bod ni'n ffilmio'r gyfres.
Tra bod ni'n ffilmio'r gyfres.
Ac mae'n lle bendigedig. Mae'r gwesty'n cael ei redeg. So so the hotel gets itself run by yn cael ei redeg. Gan deulu. Dymunol iawn. OK, da iawn. Perchnogion. Perchnogion yw... So, perchnogion, the owners. Perchnogion. Mae'n nog in the nog. Perchnogion yw... Rheinallt a lleici gwallter. Rheinallt a lleici gwallter. Par hyfryd. Ac maen nhw'n gweithio'n galed iawn. So you can say, ooh, dwi'n gweithio'n galed iawn yn y dosbarth Cymraeg. Give me life, you want. Dwi'n gweithio'n galed iawn yn y dosbarth Cymraeg. Da iawn, OK.
Rwan te, mae hi'n amser am egwyl. Ond ar ôl yr egwyl, dewch nôl I ddysgu can am Siani Flewog. Come back and learn a song about a caterpillar.
Siani Flewog, ble ei di, dringo I fyny ar dysgu.